Okay, we're going to unbox the new power supply I just got. So I've been using a 1.75 amp Micronta power supply that I bought probably in the late 1970s for the Uniden Bearcat. And somebody gave me a radio report and says, you know, it sounds like your power supply is lacking power to operate that radio. So I looked it up and it's only 1.75 amps. So I had to get a 5 amp power supply. So we got, it's got a 1-year warranty on it. So it's a pyramid, looks like this. I always keep this stuff right there. And this is going to make it run a lot better. And we're going to try it out. I'll show you what it looks like. And you'll see me using it in videos. It's a lot bigger than that one, I'll tell you that. Nice. Got a like pyramid, I have a 52 amp right there. That's a 52 amp power supply that runs everything in the radio room pretty much, except the Uniden Bearcat. So let's take it out of here. Very nice. And it took only about 3 days or so to get it. So there it is. That's what I'm going to be using. That is a 5 amp. 5 amp constant, 7 amp surge. Nice. All right. PS7KX power supply right there. To run, that's the one I'm using right there. 1.75 amp to run that Uniden Bearcat. So this is the one we're going to be using now, the pyramid. All right. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos here from Jungle Joe C. Video Gates.